Hi teacher, I am Ezgi Kaya. Today I will talk about my reading skill and how can I gain this habit. As you know, reading book is so important in our life because it provides to state ourselves easily and we gain different viewpoints and when we read book we can learn different lifestyles without living. Also, my department is preschool teaching. I should I should read all children's books and I should have information about all children's books. Also, when we become a teacher, I will do presentation. I will speak for a society. When they ask a question about any subject, I should give answer and I should give enough information about that subject. So I want to gain this habit. When I gain this habit, I can trust myself, I can have self-confidence. So because of this, I should read a lot of books for my future, for my students. I believe that I can do it, so I will study more to gain this habit. Thank you for listening.